5 things I want to share about spirituality. Number 1. Universe is equally unfair because we're all born with different qualities and excel in different things. Number 2. Be good to yourself first before being good to others. Number 3. Healthy boundaries just mean that you gotta have that wisdom to flexibly push things or people away as per their approaches that suit the context. No hard rules to it. Be comfortable with your own decisions. Number 4, it is okay to F up. Just remember to reflect and then move on. Do not just dismiss the matter and say you've moved on, because you definitely did not, and will repeat the same BS. Lastly, true positivity at its baseline means that you're able to accept your own shitty emotions at its low, because they are still part of you, before working on the emotions at a healthy pace to greater height, even without receiving superficial sessions to heal. That's because when you go home, you're still empty at your own baseline. Toxic positivity is just sweeping every negative emotions under the carpet in an avoidant and dismissive way to create a time bomb. Boom! Thank you.